Hi folks, Livio, Regano with tonight's weather. Well, after an exceptionally cool start to December, our luck's about to turn. From tomorrow, it's going to suddenly get really hot and there won't be any rain to quell the heat for some time. Take a good look at these temperatures. Nice and comfortable, no extremes of heat, and savour the moment because you probably won't see numbers like this again until Sunday. Let's start with the satellite loop now. Queensland's clear for the first time in a while, even the southeast, where you can still see that low spinning offshore. Most of the clouds now gone out to sea, exposing the state to mostly clear conditions, even after we had that big storm come through Cairns last night. That's all basically retracted to Cape York Peninsula. On today's chart, what we have is the last day of this offshore low. This is a system that last week brought all those cold gale force winds to southern Queensland, erosion on the beaches, etc., and those really cool temperatures. And it's happened again today, but that's the last of it. If you look at tomorrow's chart, the low disappears. All of a sudden, it's like switching on summer with this next trough coming, a very open pressure pattern and northwest winds taking over the state, really raising the temperatures. Now the latest from the BOM. Boating forecast for Townsville waters light, variable winds under 10 knots with seas to a metre. On Wednesday, just 10 knots of north-northeasterly, becoming northwest to northeast on Thursday. Full moon this Thursday, and we all know what that means. Tomorrow's first tide will be a morning high, and it's quite a big one, growing bigger with each passing day. Herbert and Lower Burdekin, sunny tomorrow and warmer, with Townsville reaching 33 degrees, Ayr 34, Ingham 35. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders, again a sunny and very warm day. Charters Towers this time reaching 36 degrees, and Georgetown 38. Looking ahead for Townsville, a long string of very hot days ahead, though nights don't really warm properly until about the weekend, when moisture levels rise and stormy conditions return. This week's question: why do some clouds have flat bottoms? Flat bottom clouds are called convective clouds because they form when the atmosphere gets heated from below, like in a convection oven. Giant one, of course. Now, the hot air bubbles rise and cool until they reach their condensation temperature when vapour changes into visible cloud. This temperature always occurs at the same height, called the condensation level. As long as all the bubbles rise from even ground, all the clouds will have flat bottoms at the condensation level. What could be simpler? Have a nice evening, folks, and please tune in again tomorrow. Now it's back to the team.
Yeah, terrific, Liv. Thank you very much. Nice having your company, folks. Catch you tomorrow night.
A reminder, you can watch a replay of 7 News on 7plus and catch up on our page at 7news.com.au. From all the team, good night.
Good night.